Good day to all employees in Hong Kong. My name is Sharian Sastrilio. I'm 40 years old. I live in Bongbong, Valencia, Negros Oriental, Philippines. I'm married with Ronaldo Sastrilio, 45 years old. I have one child, 10 years old age. I'm Roman Catholic. My father's name, Chodorico Omnos, deceased. My mother's name is Lorna Omnos, deceased. I have 3 brothers and 1 sister. I'm high school graduate and also I'm going training caregiver. My experience work in Amman, Jordan, Finnish contract IC 4-member family. And also I work in UAE Finnish contract. I serve 3 member of family, 2 adult and 1 child. 25 years old and 35 and 5 years old child.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work Hong Kong because highest salary and good benefits, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of babies and children?
Yes, ma'am.
About how many children do you think you can take care at a time?
I'm taking the 2 children.
What are your duties as a babysitter?
My duties to be the babysitters. I changes the diapers. I prefer the bottle of milk. I prefer the food and also bathing for the baby.
What are your duties as a domestic helper?
My duties as a domestic helper, marketing, ironing, washing, and gardening outside.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn to cook Chinese food.
Can you operate electrical appliances?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
I'm like refrigerator, television, iron, washing machine, and vacuum also.
How about washing car? Do you wash car very well?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you love pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Dog and cat.
Most employers in Hong Kong speak Chinese. Are you willing to learn and speak the language?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to speak language of Hong Kong.
Do you have any experience in taking care of elderly?
No, ma'am, but I'm willing to learn.
What promises do you have for your future employer?
My future employees to hire me, I give my best and do my duties, my responsibility. Please hire me to as a nanny. Thank you and God bless.